Homever EV620 has a beautiful and stylish design. This 2-in-1 cordless stick vacuum cleaner makes quick, efficient work of cleaning your whole home. The convenient charging base holds your device and charges it when not in use. It takes between 3 and 4 hours for a full charge. In an instant, the Homever EV620 can transform into a handheld, so you can vacuum higher places such as your sofas, chairs, countertops, and more. Easily pick up pet hair, dust, crumbs, and more from all kinds of floors and furniture. The 180-degree swivel head helps you clean in tough places such as around the furniture and table legs. Works with ease on all kinds of carpet and hard floors, such as hardwood and laminate. If you're looking for the cordless vacuum cleaner that can efficiently clean your whole home, Homever is your best choice. Once Homever, always Homever.